Imagine a shimmering blade, 170 kilometers long, slicing through the heart of the Arabian desert. This isn't a mirage, it's the Line, a city unlike any other, daring to challenge the very notion of urban existence. Picture this. The sun beats down on a vast expanse of sand, a timeless silence broken only by the whisper of wind. Suddenly, a colossal structure emerges from the dunes, a mirrored giant reflecting the endless sky. This is the Line, a city stretching further than the eye can see, a testament to human ambition etched upon the ancient landscape. The scale is staggering. Imagine 170 kilometers, the distance between bustling metropolises. Here, it's compressed into a single awe-inspiring entity. Think 10 times the length of Manhattan, a city that could swallow entire boroughs within its mirrored walls. The Line carves its path from the turquoise embrace of the Red Sea, its mirrored facade catching the sun's rays and dazzling like a string of jewels. On the other side, the majestic peaks of Tabluk rise, their rugged beauty a stark contrast to the city's sleek lines. Imagine a metropolis existing in perfect harmony with its surroundings, a futuristic marvel nestled within a timeless landscape. A testament to humanity's audacity to dream big. But the Line isn't just about size. It's a challenge to the sprawling megacities choking on their own fumes. A beacon of hope in a world yearning for sustainable solutions. As construction rumbles across the desert sands, the world watches with bated breath. It's a city built with nature in mind. This metropolis respects its surroundings, leaving a footprint so small, 95% of the land remains untouched. Picture this: towering mountains on one side, the turquoise embrace of the Red Sea on the other, and in between, a city that lives in harmony with its environment. Forget the fumes, the honking horns, the endless gridlock. The Line is a city designed for people, not cars. Imagine zipping through this futuristic cityscape in a high-speed rail, reaching any point within 20 minutes. Everything you need: work, shopping, entertainment, all within a 5-minute walk. This isn't just a city. It's a community woven together by walkable streets and vibrant public spaces. Now, this isn't some utopian fantasy. The Line is a breeding ground for innovation. The brightest minds from across the globe gather here, tackling the world's toughest challenges. Imagine cutting-edge technology woven into the very fabric of the city, shaping a future where sustainability and human progress go hand in hand. The Line stretches across the Saudi Arabian landscape like a futuristic mirage. This 170-kilometer marvel isn't just a city, it's a meticulously designed ecosystem aiming to achieve the seemingly impossible. A thriving metropolis with minimal environmental impact. But how exactly will the Line achieve this ambitious goal? The Line aims to be a pioneer in sustainable construction, with details still under wraps. However, here's a glimpse into what we might expect. Imagine construction akin to assembling a giant Lego set. Prefabricated modules manufactured off-site in controlled environments will be shipped in and meticulously pieced together. This reduces on-site waste drastically, minimizing environmental impact and streamlining construction timelines. Steel and concrete are construction mainstays, but the line promises a twist. Look for low-carbon versions of these materials with a smaller environmental footprint during production. Additionally, biocomposite materials might enter the mix. These innovative materials incorporate organic elements like bamboo or recycled plastics, offering a sustainable alternative with potentially superior insulation properties. The line aspires to be a paragon of efficiency. Imagine construction waste meticulously sorted and recycled. Steel and concrete offcuts could be repurposed for future construction phases, while organic waste might be composted to nourish on-site vertical farms. Disrupted surface infrastructure will be a thing of the past. Imagine a network of utility tunnels cleverly hidden beneath the city. These tunnels will house everything from high-speed rail tracks to water and power lines. This not only minimizes the project's footprint on the surrounding landscape, but also allows for efficient maintenance and upgrades. The line's construction process is poised to be a showcase of sustainable practices, pushing the boundaries of traditional methods and paving the way for a greener future in urban development. The traditional city's reliance on fossil fuels is out of the window for the line. Instead, the entire city will be powered by 100% renewable energy. Imagine the mirrored facade of the line acting as a giant solar collector. Extensive solar panel arrays will be integrated into the city's design, strategically positioned to maximize their exposure to the relentless desert sun. These panels will convert sunlight into clean electricity, powering everything from homes and businesses to the high-speed transportation network. The desert winds will be another key player in the line's renewable energy mix. Strategically placed wind turbines will capture the prevailing winds, converting their kinetic energy into electricity. Imagine towering turbines dotting the landscape around the city, complementing the solar panels and ensuring a reliable source of clean power even during periods of low sunlight. A sophisticated smart grid will be the brains behind the line's energy ecosystem. Think of it as a complex nervous system constantly monitoring and optimizing energy production and consumption. Imagine the grid seamlessly integrating power from solar and wind sources, storing excess energy in battery banks for use during peak demand periods. The line will be constructed with high-performance insulation materials, minimizing heating and cooling needs. Smart building management systems will further optimize energy consumption, automatically adjusting lighting, ventilation, and temperature controls based on real-time occupancy and weather conditions. The line redefines urban infrastructure. It will be a city where utility lines and transportation systems don't disrupt the surface landscape. The line envisions a network of tunnels hidden beneath the city, carrying everything from essentials to futuristic marvels. This eliminates the need for sprawling surface infrastructure, minimizing the project's footprint and maximizing efficiency. A high-speed rail network will be zipping through these tunnels, whisking residents from one end of the city to the other in a mere 20 minutes. This not only eliminates the need for personal vehicles, but also promotes a car-free environment, drastically reducing emissions. These tunnels will also house a complex web of utility lines, water, electricity, and waste management systems. Imagine a centralized network for efficient distribution and maintenance, minimizing disruptions and leaks. The tunnels might even house a sophisticated climate control system, a network of pipes carrying conditioned air throughout the city, ensuring optimal thermal comfort for residents with minimal energy consumption. The line aspires to be a paragon of smart technology integration, buildings that adjust to their surroundings. Think self-regulating climate control systems that adjust to outside conditions, minimizing energy consumption. A complex network of smart sensors will monitor temperature, light levels, and occupancy, automatically adjusting lighting, ventilation, and heating-cooling systems for maximum efficiency and comfort. Smart technologies will be the invisible hand guiding the line. The traditional city's dependence on long-distance food transportation is a thing of the past for the line. Imagine vertically integrated farms stacked within the city itself, utilizing hydroponics and other advanced techniques to grow fresh produce year-round. This not only reduces reliance on external food sources, but also minimizes transportation emissions. The line embraces the concept of a closed-loop system. Imagine wastewater being treated and recycled for irrigation for other non-potable uses. Food scraps and organic waste will be composted, providing nutrients for the vertical farms. This minimizes waste and creates a sustainable food cycle within the city itself. But questions linger like desert winds. Can such a city truly be built? Is it feasible, sustainable, even desirable? The technical and sustainability goals of the line are undeniably ambitious. The logistics are mind-boggling, the costs astronomical. Can a society so densely packed truly thrive? Developing and implementing these cutting-edge technologies at such a scale presents a significant challenge. The sheer quantity of materials needed and the logistics of construction are complex. Questions also linger about the long-term viability of closed-loop systems and the potential impact on surrounding ecosystems. Only time will tell. One thing's for sure, the line is a gamble on the future. It's a challenge to the status quo, a beacon of hope in a world yearning for solutions. As the first stones are laid, the world watches with bated breath. Despite the challenges, the line represents a significant leap forward in sustainable urban design. If successful, it could pave the way for a future where megacities exist in harmony with the environment. The project serves as a testbed for innovative technologies, with the potential to inspire and influence urban development around the globe. The line is a story being written. As construction progresses, the world is watching with keen interest to see if this ambitious project can overcome its hurdles and become a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on these amazing mega projects. Please support this channel with a like and subscribe.